Alright, have you guys ever thought to make spaghetti with some macaroni and cheese sauce? That's what we're doing tonight, folks. We're gonna try it out because we needed the noodles for a different project a while back, and so we saved everything else and the instructions in the packet. I think Leo has his 2 cents to put in on it. What do you say, huh? What's up? You want to help me cook? All right, I think you should. Yeah, you cook real good. Okay, we'll get back at you here in a few. Now, I bet you're wondering how much spaghetti we should use, and that's a good question. I learned recently that you could take this little hole here in the middle and you fit some spaghetti in it. Now, kind of difficult. Yeah, that makes a serving. So what we're going to do here for ours is we're going to do one whole serving and then maybe like another half.
Yeah, because you only got one box, right?
Yeah, we only got the one box. Alright, so this is going all haywires because I'm trying to shoot it too, but yeah. I will be right back. You guys get the idea. And did you know that's what that hole was for? Because I never knew before. Anyway, we'll be right back. Alright, so it worked out to this much here. We've got the water boiling, so let's get it in there. Alright. I broke them in half, by the way. Don't know if you guys do that or not, but we do it for Dad's sake. Although we're not sharing this with him. Ha! Anyways. Yeah, have you guys ever thought to do this? Spaghetti and cheese. Yum. Mm-hmm. Alright, so we'll get this boiling and we'll get back at ya. Okay, one of the other things that we like to do here when we're making our, in this case, spaghetti and cheese, not mac and cheese, is that we melt the butter and we cook the milk, and then we're going to stir the cheese in. So we'll show you what that looks like here. Alright, noodles are draining. And here is what the cheese sauce looks like once you mix it up. Almost reminds me of nacho cheese. So, let's get these two married up to each other and check it out. Ooh, look at that yummy goodness. Got it back on for a second just to make sure, everything's cooked in there. Oh, good stuff. Alright. Let's see how this looks served up. Alright, here's that yummy goodness. And the reason you just saw that cheese sizzling a little is because we learned that you need a little bit more spaghetti than I used. I did 1.5 servings, but you want to do at least 2 servings for something like this. Other than that, oh man, this looks great. Let's give it a try. Let's see how it tastes. Going in. Looks a little hot though, I gotta tell you. Definitely hot. Mmm. That's nice and creamy.
Alright, next time we add spaghetti sauce to all that.
Oh my god, I want to party with you. I gotta tell you right now that spaghetti and cheese is the bomb. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this silly video of ours. And we hope that you will come back for future videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope y'all are having a good day. We'll see ya.